how to perform a granular recovery of your Microsoft Exchange data. CloudAlly Backup enables you to quickly recover one or more backed up items using our granular recovery tool, thus securing your Exchange data from loss. Let me show you how easy this is. From the home page, locate your Microsoft Exchange backup task. Click the Recovery button on the right side of the screen. Choose the mailbox that contains the data you would like to restore or export. Click Selective Mailbox Recovery. Click Advanced Search to access the granular recovery options. You can enter a keyword that will help you find your email. Or click the arrow next to the search field and enter any criteria, such as the name of the sender. Once the system provides you with the items that meet your criteria, you can click the blue arrow next to the item to see the metadata and the first line just to make sure it's the one you're looking for. Select the item you'd like to recover and click either Restore or Download. If you clicked Restore, you have the option of restoring to a different account. If you click Download, choose one of the destinations on the drop-down list, such as a zip file for download, Amazon S3, or Google Cloud Platform. And that's it. You have begun the process of recovering your data. You can check the Jobs page to see the progress of your restore or export. When your export is done, click Download Results to access the data file. Thanks for watching.